What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in today's video we're taking a look at the general crypto markets. The market is actually pumping. Is the bottom of Bitcoin in? Bitcoin is hovering above $20,000. Bitcoin is trying to close above its 2017 all-time high. Are we going to close above 2017 all-time high, or are we going to go to Goblin Town? Bitcoin has been dumping this week. This has been a really tragic week for Bitcoin. Bitcoin, from when it topped in 69,000 on the 20. Guys, from when Bitcoin topped in November 2021, Bitcoin has been dumping. Bitcoin is down over 73%. Usually you see Bitcoin dropping 83% in the bear market. We'll also be looking at Ethereum price chart. The sentiment in the market is still actually in extreme fear. Can we close the week above the 200-week moving average? We'll be taking a look at news stories happening in the crypto world. Elon Musk has been sued for supporting Dogecoin, and he tweeted he will still be supporting Dogecoin. I will keep supporting Dogecoin, says Elon Musk. Elon Musk was seemingly unshakable about the allegations as he doubled down on his love for the Dogecoin ecosystem with a tweet saying, I will keep supporting Dogecoin. Guys, we are still in extreme fear, but we have a green day today. A lot of the coins are popping off the bottom. That's what we want to see. So the question we want answering right now is the bottom in? Is the bottom of the Bitcoin market in? Are we going to stop dumping right now? Because guys, if we don't close the week above 20,000, that's Goblin Town. Yesterday Bitcoin actually got to as low as 17,500. Crazy. A lot of OGs thought we were dumping. A lot of people thought that we were going to oblivion, but right now Bitcoin has recovered. We've actually had a pump. Some people that got the bottom of Bitcoin are already in profit. If you got Bitcoin at 17,000, you're probably in like a 13% profit right now. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum actually broke below its 2017 all-time high. That was around 1,400. Ethereum actually broke down before Bitcoin. Ethereum dropped to as low as $879. I was hearing people calling for Ethereum to go as low as $500 yesterday. Right now, Ethereum is trying to close the week above 1,100. At some point in time, we are going to get a relief rally. What Ethereum did in the previous bear market is that it dropped 94% in the previous bear market. How low can Ethereum drop in this bear market? And from the top, from Ethereum got to its top in November 2021. Ethereum went as high as $4,800. Ethereum right now, Ethereum is down over 81%. If it gets down 94% like the previous bear market, we might see Ethereum drop as low as $300. Will it get that low? Nobody can say where to get that low. Only time will tell right now. But guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. I want to hear what you think about the market. Do you think the bottom is in? Do you think this pump is just a fake pump, or is this the final dump? You know that when the bottom comes in, all the altcoins actually bounce very well, Bitcoin included. That's how you know that, okay, sellers have been exhausted. Or is this just an exit liquidity? Is this pump just here just to get people bullish before we go down further? The total crypto market cap is above its all-time high. We actually got to the 2018 all-time high. We got to $750 billion yesterday. Right now we're back to $867 billion, and we know that the total crypto market cap during the bear market can actually lose as much as 87% of its value. So right now total crypto market cap has not lost that much. From the top of the market at $3 trillion where we topped in November, total crypto market cap is down 73%. How low can we go? Are we going to go down as low as 87%? Is this time different? A lot of people have been saying this time is different. A lot of institutions are in Bitcoin and Ethereum, so we might not see the regular bear markets that we always see. But guys, the answer to that is that we just saw a lot of institutions got liquidated as Bitcoin went below its previous all-time high. A lot of hedge funds, a lot of trading firms that over-leveraged themselves, they are liquidated. All coins did not actually perform poorly in this dump. That's good to see. The total crypto market, the top 10 in the total crypto market is still unchanged. In number 1, we have Bitcoin, currently above $20,000. Last month, Bitcoin was trading above $30,000. That's how quick things change in the crypto space. Ethereum is at number 2. You can get one Ethereum over $1,000 at number 3. We have USD Theta at number 4. We have USDC. Guys, we're checking the stablecoin dominance later in this video. Number 5 is BNB. BNB was below $200 yesterday. Crazy. Yesterday was a crazy day. I'm sure that we'll be talking about yesterday for days and weeks to come. Is yesterday the bottom? Only time we tell. I still believe Bitcoin might probably go lower, but we don't know right now whether to go lower. ADA is at number 7. We have XRP at number 8. At number 9 is Solana, and Dogecoin, the king of the dogs. Elon Musk have sued because of supporting Dogecoin. He still said he'll continue supporting Dogecoin. Dogecoin is at number 10. Polkadot is at number 11, poking at Dogecoin at number 10. Will it overtake Dogecoin at number 10? Only time will tell. Polkadot has a market cap of 7.3 billion. Dogecoin is currently at 8 billion. So there's still some room to run in that competition. And the top gainers and the top losers in the last 24 hours, one of the top gainers is Litecoin. Litecoin has been in the news for negative reasons. It has been dumping, but right now it's up 22%. In the last 24 hours, Mika is up 21%, ApeCoin is up 30%, and Zcash is up 19%. You can see a lot of these altcoins bounced. The coins that are in losses with the stable coins, USSD, DER, Tether, and USDC. Stable coins. So basically, everything that dumped yesterday is in profit right now. That's very, very good to see. Now, the total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, didn't actually dump below its previous all-time high. So if you take out all of crypto, the total crypto market cap of all of crypto, you take out Bitcoin, you take out Ethereum, those are the two largest cryptocurrencies, and the rest of the cryptocurrencies, this is their market cap. They are currently valued at $350 billion, and they are at key support. If we break that level, guys, we might see the rest of crypto get to as low as $171 billion. For context sake, it means any altcoin you are holding will drop an average of maybe 50%. So right now we are at the edge. We can get a 50% dump in altcoins, and that can happen very, very quickly. But it looks as if the sellers are exhausted, because if Bitcoin is rallying, you expect altcoins to rally with them. But guys, it looks as if we're in Bitcoin season. That's why we want to be careful with altcoins, because if you look at the Bitcoin dominance is telling a very, very confusing story. Now, Bitcoin dominance was actually pumping. We are scared for altcoins that altcoins might dump very hard. Bitcoin dominance got to 48.4%. What happened after that? We had a mad dump in the Bitcoin dominance, and Bitcoin dominance right now is at 44%. We want to see the Bitcoin dominance actually reducing if you're holding altcoins, because it means altcoins are healthy even in the bearish market. But history has showed us that anytime we're in the bear market, the safe haven is Bitcoin. Bitcoin actually outperforms altcoins. There are one or two altcoins here and there that performs well in the bear market. We just talked about one here today, Link. We talk about how Link outperformed the rest of the market. You can check that video out if you want to check it out. Right now, Bitcoin dominance is dumping, but you can see that it just had a huge red candle. You don't expect it to go down in a straight line. You probably pause around here, and if it's pausing, it means if Bitcoin is dumping, probably altcoins will be dumping same level with Bitcoin. Or maybe altcoin might not dump again and Bitcoin will just pump and outpump them. Stablecoin dominance is going into new highs. This is another metric we look at to know where the market is. Stablecoin dominance, we added the dominance of Tether, USDC, Binance, and we added this dominance of DER. These are the four main stablecoins in the market. And if you go and check the top cryptocurrency and market capitalization, you can see that Tether is number 3, USDC is number 4. We have Binance USD number 6, and DER is number 12. So those are the top stablecoins in the market. And if you add all their dominance together, their dominance account for 17% of the total crypto market, which is very, very crazy, guys. You don't want to be seeing stablecoins actually holding a lot of dominance in the market. What it means is that a lot of people are scared in the market. They're running to stablecoins. You don't want to see that happening, because you want to see people having confidence in the market. When people run to stablecoins, it's crazy, but we know that stablecoin dominance cannot continue going up forever. At some point in time, to have to dump. And anytime you can see the stablecoin dominance dumped was all the times we were pumping, and we had the stablecoin dominance dump here in October. Bitcoin was pumping then. We had another one in April, March, and December. You can see that we spent a lot of time in this region, and this was when the market was actually pumping. We realized that anytime the stablecoin dominance is dumping, the market is pumping. But right now we're testing new highs on the stablecoin dominance, which is not a good sign. We want to see the stablecoin dominance reduce. But when it reduces, we'll see the pump in the market. But right now we're not seeing any pump in the market. Maybe this is the start of a pump. Only time will tell if this is the start of a pump, or we are going to continue dumping. But let's be happy with the green we have today. At least we have a green candle today. If we check the US dollar currency index, it's actually at a tipping point. It's at the 702 retracement from the top in July 2021 to the bottom that happened in 2008. Right now, the dollar has to make a decision. Is it going to new highs, or is it going to dump on itself? If the dollar is going to go into new highs, that's bad for the altcoin market. That's bad for crypto. We don't want to see that happening. But if the dollar is going to dump, that's what we want to see, because anytime the dollar is dumping, the crypto markets go up. At the same time, the macro conditions are not readily available for the market to pump right now. There's a lot of fear in the market, a lot of uncertainty. Stocks are actually tanking, and who actually buy your bags? The reason why the market go up is that we have a lot of demand without a lot of supply, but right now we have a lot of supply. A lot of people are willing to sell because they are scared. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust is actually down. This is how institutional investors get exposed to Bitcoin. It's down to its 2020 levels, down to the level where it was in February 2020. For context sake, this equivalent of Bitcoin going to $5,000. Is this showing us what will happen in the future? Is Bitcoin going to drop maybe as low as $5,000? Only time will tell right now. But guys, let's take a look at the crypto unicorn index. These are projects that have over $1 billion market cap in the market. We have 49 of them right now at the point of recording of this video. At the top of the market, we had over 135 projects that had the market cap of over $1 billion. And right now we only have 49. And this is indicative of how many projects are still strong in the bear market. And it looks like we're approaching the previous all-time high, which was around 42. Maybe if the market dumps again, but I think we're due for a relief rally. I expect this pump to be sustainable, even not for the month of July, maybe it's ending the month of June. We have been dumping since May, guys. The Terra Luna situation just happened on the 11th of May 2022. So in the last 1 month, we have been in the trenches. At least we deserve some pump. What do you think about that? Altcoin season index is showing us that we're not in alt season, but we are actually living Bitcoin season. We can see that there's a lot of times that we have left Bitcoin season and we'll head back there. So are we heading to alt season? Is this the start of alt season? Is something crazy about to happen in the altcoin market? Remember, guys, when there's chaos, when the market is dumping, that is actually when there's a lot of opportunity in the market. Elon Musk said he will continue supporting Dogecoin even after a $258 billion lawsuit was slammed on him. Crazy, and very, very impressive that he's going to continue doing that. Bitcoin heads for dismissal weekly close as Bitcoin rejects at 20K. Right now, Bitcoin is struggling for that 20K region. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Do you think we can close above 20K? If I go on Bitcoin in the 4-hour time frame, you can see that Bitcoin has been struggling. The bottom probably came in here at 17,000. A lot of people capitulated. I saw a lot of people on Twitter getting super bearish, talking about us going to 14K, 16K. I'm a strong believer in that we're going to get that low. I don't think we're just going to go down in a straight line. If you check the bottom when it came in 2018, we had the same similar style move where people thought the bottom was in at 20K. We had a fake pump and then we dump. So is 17K the bottom of this cycle, or do we need to dump further? Only time we tell right now if we're going to dump further. El Salvador president addressed bear market concern with Bitcoin hopium. El Salvador president is here. He's one of the big supporters of Bitcoin. El Salvador is the first country to actually adopt Bitcoin as a currency. He said, I see some people are worried or anxious about the Bitcoin market cap price. My advice, stop looking at the graph and enjoy your life. If you invested in Bitcoin, your investments are safe and its value will immensely grow after the bear market. Patience is key. Crazy to see that the president of the country understands Bitcoin more than a lot of individuals. But only time will tell whether he's right or we're going to be going to Goblin Town. And critics say Bitcoin price is going to zero this time, but trade signals suggest otherwise. Before we read this article, guys, Bitcoin is not going to zero anytime soon. As far as there was somebody willing to buy Bitcoin for $1, Bitcoin is not going to go to zero. And Peter Schmidt, biggest Bitcoin bear on Twitter, says, if Bitcoin can collapse 70% from 69,000 to under 21,000, it can easily fall under 70% to 6,000. Given the excessive leverage in crypto, imagine the forced sales that will take place during a sell-off of this magnitude. 3,000 is more likely a target. Now, Peter Schmidt on Twitter has been known to be that bottom signal. Anytime you tweet something bearish about Bitcoin, people will say the bottom is in. But I don't think whether he's wrong this time, guys. Bitcoin can legitimately fall to $3,000. But I think he's just overplaying it. You know, he's a gold guy. He believes gold, not Bitcoin. And this Bitcoin obituary says Bitcoin has died over 452 times. I don't think Bitcoin is going to die at this point in time. People just have to live with the fact that Bitcoin is here to stay. Remember, the market is controlled by people's emotions. Some people feel happy, they buy more. They feel sad, they sell more. That's just the way it is. Stablecoin dominance highlight structural fragility of crypto, says Federal Reserve. That's actually true, guys. These stablecoin shenanigans have been happening right now, from the Terra UST situation to Tether getting unpegged and not going back to spec up till now. So right now, a lot of people getting liquidated. You know, the Tether thing just started. The Terra Luna thing started as just Luna, but right now, a lot of people are affected because a lot of people are invested in Luna. They were invested in Anchor Protocol. It's just a shit show right now. It's just a whole shit show. And remember when Dogecoin was saying that if Terra fails, the whole crypto market goes with it. It looks as if that's what's happening right now, and it looks as if this is what the government will use as their route into crypto. They will use, there's no regulation, they don't want it to fall on itself. They have to make sure everything is on point. We'll actually see where this will go in the future, whether the government will actually come with regulations. And here are 5 indicators traders can use to know when the bear market is ending. A lot of people want to know, where is the bottom of the market going to come in? Is the dump over? Is the crypto industry going to recover? Guys, the crypto industry has always recovered. This time is not going to be different. Right now, it looks as if the world is going to end. We're dumping into oblivion. But remember, guys, in 2018, people were literally cutting their hands off for $20,000 worth of Bitcoin. Just to get one Bitcoin for 20,000. People were literally paying anything for it. Just as early as 2020, people were going to pay 20,000. People were saying, "Oh my God, I wish I knew about Bitcoin when it was 20,000." Right now, Bitcoin is at 20,000. Nobody wants to buy again. People are scared. 5 indicators to show us when the Bitcoin bear market is over. Bitcoin will be trading above its 200-week moving average. Right now, Bitcoin is way below that 200-week moving average. Bitcoin 200-week moving average is at 22,000. Let me just put it right here for you to see. Bitcoin 200-week moving average is at 22,300. Bitcoin is trading for 20,200. So Bitcoin has to at least try to close this week above its 200-week moving average. You can see that the last time we pierced through it was the COVID sell-off. Yes, we tried to close above it, and the next week we went above it. So will this time be different, or the same thing that happened in 2020 is going to happen again? And that indicator for you to know that the Bitcoin bear market is over is that the RSI will be reaching oversold. Yes, a lot of people have been saying the RSI of Bitcoin is currently oversold, but guys, it actually can go lower. There's another metric you can use to know when the bear market is over is when the market value to realized value starts increasing. Right now we're in this green region, and this green region usually signals the bottom of the bear market. Guys, do you think this dump is over? I think Bitcoin might probably try to close this week above 20,000. If it's not possible, then tough times ahead, because Bitcoin might be heading towards its 300-week moving average, which is currently at $16,599. Can Bitcoin get that low? Yes, we touched 17,700. So Bitcoin getting to as low as 16,000, I don't think that's out of the realms of possibility. You can see that in 2020 we actually tried to come to that 300-week moving average, but we didn't touch it. It's the same thing happening right now. Is the 300 moving average going to become acting as support for us, or are we going to dump lower? Because guys, according to my own theory, we might actually see a $13,000 or a $14,000 Bitcoin. I don't pray we see it. 20,000 seems like a price where a lot of people are saying they'll get Bitcoin, and a lot of big traders are getting liquidated at that price. But that might not be enough. Remember, capitulation means when people that have strong conviction actually give up. So if there's still people that have hope, I don't think we have seen capitulation yet. Ethereum will try to close above 1,100. Ethereum actually had mad dump this week. This was a crazy week for Ethereum. Remember, when Ethereum was outperforming the market in the bull run, everybody was an Ethereum bull. Ethereum went up over 5,200%. Right now, Ethereum is dumping. It has dumped over 81%. It's currently trading for 1,100. Ethereum will try to close above its 2018 all-time high. That's around 1,400. For Ethereum to do that right now from where we are, we still have to pump around 30%. Do you think Ethereum will pump 30% in the last? Do you think Ethereum can pump 30% in the next 4 hours, 2 minutes? Because this week is going to close in the next 4 hours, 2 minutes. So we're watching patiently at Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin and Ethereum is going to signal to the rest of the market. We're still in extreme fear. History has shown, guys, this is the best time to buy. You want to be buying crypto in extreme fear. If you buy in extreme fear, when the market goes back to extreme greed, you'll be happy you did. This is not financial advice. I'm just showing you what the charts have done in the past. What I know right now is in extreme fear. Everybody looks as if Bitcoin is going to zero. If you go on the TL, people are super bearish on it. But guys, in chaos is when opportunity is made. So drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, are you going to be buying some crypto? Are you going to wait for the dust to settle, or will you just YOLO it and just ride it through the bear market? Because the bear market is where riches are made. Will this dump survive, or we're going to dump into Goblin Town? Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.